Welcome to Sane, the theme that won't drive you mad. Sane is built to work seamlessly with the Elementor page builder plugin and Gutenberg, so you can rest assured that any site that you build will be totally WordPress compatible. How to install the Sane Theme from sanetheme.com. Log into your WordPress dashboard and you'll see this screen. Go to Appearance, Themes, Add New, Upload Theme, choose Theme, Install Now, Activate. Begin installing the plugins. Click here, Install and Apply. Return to the required plugins installer, click here and activate. You'll see that Elementor Page Builder is installed, one-click demo import and PostGrid Elementor add-ons are installed. These are all free plugins from the repository. Once all that's done, all you need to do is go back to the dashboard to refresh and then go to Appearance, Import Demo Data. Now with Sane free comes 4 layouts. They're all very good layouts, professionally put together for you, and you can import any one of these for your website. So let's go for a yoga studio. It'll say importing, please wait. That's all done now. We can now visit the website and we can see that everything has been imported correctly. Now we see that there's a couple of icons up here that we don't want, and that's because we've been using this as a trial install, but that's really easy. All you do is go to Customizer, Menus, Social Menu, and just remove the icons that you don't want in there, if that happens to you. The Customizer on the free version is quite basic. It allows you to have the site identity. You can upload a logo, or you can have a text logo like we have. You can also have title only, logo only, or title and tagline. And you can add your own icon as well. So follow the recommendations for that. 512 by 512 pixels. You can have a background image. You can set your home page and your blog. You can add additional CSS if you want to, and you can have additional color options all around your website. So that's it. That's how you install the Sane Theme from sanetheme.com.